Metro Pacific Tollway, Youth Ride.
Sama ko rito.
Space Travel and Tourism Corporation. Polaris Incorporated. Staff Contract and Development Corporation. Joe Lumber and Nine Products. There you have it, guys. Now,
0186 0571 0563. Again, ito ang tinawag po namin green tea ice tea. Okay? Sa letrang O, 68. 68. 244. 244. 150. 150. Hindi ko nauulitan. Kaya doble beses ko na pong sinasabi. 144. 144 and 127. 127. Yung tinawag, you will be getting or bringing home Denver's 541, 541, 417, 417, 138, 138, Powerade, 2 dozens per pack, mga kaibigan.
Malapit kayo.
right. Dahil po yun, guys, no, not everyone is privileged to take home these tokens. So if you heard your number, come here and get your prize. And the last term, we are also giving away
Okay, so we're looking for 3 winners.
Guys,
Okay, we have winner 1. Si Luis. Son.
Luis, we have Jesse and Joseph. Congratulations to you, Luis.
Okay, Jesse, Joseph, and Luis.
It's okay. You see, guys, good news to all LSQC graduates because you get to have your own self-study and post-grade money for as low as 350 pesos. Enjoy unlimited sun-to-sun prom and sex all day. Which is 100% right now. I think they have a booth. Fill out the application form and drop it or give it to our sub-seller associate there by the side. So this is sun-to-sun contract all day.
Batch 59.
Batch 59.
Can you
Represent,
please come
please.
over to
Batch 73.
74 and 75. Once again, batch 72, 73, 74, 75. Batch 78, 79.
Batch 83. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big warm round of applause to Batch 86.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. All right. Lansan. Sir Earl, are you here? Mr. Earl Manalansan, good evening,
Oh, yes.
sir. And Mr. Noel De Luna of
Well,
Batch
Luna, are you
87.
here? Once again, we need to call Owen Fernandez. You are needed on Okay, may we ask everybody to please stand up and this is our turnover ceremony.
Do we have
Owen,
speech?
I think you need to say something first before we turn over the plate and reason.
Ay, yan yata yung late, ha? Late. na, pare.
and the joy.